I've been running into a problem with this clutch pedal on the car here. It's been grabbing close to the floor, then it'll grab up maybe 2 inches, and it's varying at different heights. So what's happened is the clutch master cylinder is going bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this master cylinder out and go ahead and just do the master cylinder and not the slave cylinder. I'm going to see how that works, and then we'll go from there. What had happened is the fluid had gone black. It was real thin. When the fluid goes black, that means that the seals are going bad and they're deteriorating, and that's what's happening. So I just went and got a new cylinder. It's already turning black again, and I just put new fluid in it, so it's definitely shot. So we ran off to AutoZone and picked up master cylinder. It was, get ready for this, $19.99. Brand new, not a rebuilt, brand new. $19.99 for the master cylinder. Probably just as good as any. And proud to have a Miata. There we go. So anyway, there it is. Looks new, looks good. Fluid's kind of dark. That's brand new fluid in there. So we're going to need a 12 millimeter deep socket, it looks like. These two. And then just break this line off. It's not too bad supposedly, so it should be a simple deal. No biggie. Yeah, good idea to get something underneath there so when you break this you won't be dripping brake fluid all down in that pretty red paint. That was easy. Not even a line wrench. I've got a deep socket. Should fit perfect in there. And there it is. No problem. And identical, which is good. Alright, what they say is just put a little bit in there and go ahead and just pump it. See to hold your finger on it. Alright, we're getting bubbles. Still getting bubbles. Aha, here it comes. Good deal. And that is primed. I watched a video on Car Passion channel, and he was putting it in just straight in, and I'm like, don't you have to guide the shaft? But apparently it's ready to rock. I mean, there it is. You just, this is so easy. It's just unbelievable. So let me run the bolts in. We don't need to watch that. They say to apply the, to start the threads on the hydraulic line first while it's loose, so you can get them all in straight. Get that going, hand tight, and then go ahead and bolt it in. And now it's time to bleed it. Okay, so with the wheel off and a little light on the subject, we see the slave cylinder right here. I put this clear plastic line on the end, so when we crack the bleeder, we'll be able to see when it stops pushing air through. You'll see the bubbles stop. It'll just turn to clear fluid. And now I just got to get an assistant here and we'll get this thing going. My pretty assistant, she's pushing the pedal up, down, down. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. I think we're good. Was that?
That's how it should have been.
Yeah, that was a lot better.
Yes.
Thank you. I got this cool little magnetic egg up in here. Alright, so I'm going to pull this hose off. And the idea is to get as much fluid on the floor as possible, even with the pan there. So we just going to snug the rest of it up and put the wheel on. It's everywhere. Typical. Gotta admit, I kind of cheated a little bit. I made this little cap here, and it's got a hole right there. You put your finger over it, and I just blow an air gun into this. I don't hook an air hose to it. Just blow an air gun into it and apply a little bit of pressure and push the fluid through the system to get everything blown through, and then do the final bleed. That kind of saved the day. Just drilled a hole in it, 1/2 inch hole, and threaded that in there, and we're good.